Are you struggling to make ends meet? Or perhaps stuck in your life and are waiting for the next big thing to happen? Do you have dreams and desires you want to fulfill, but don't know how? We're here to help. Introducing the Vision Planner, your first step on the path to success. Having a clear vision will help you stay focused and determined. With the Vision Planner, you'll be on your toes and responsible for every decision you take toward achieving your goal. Not convinced yet? That's understandable. Here are 10 compelling reasons why you should buy the Vision Planner today. 1. You'll develop a 10x vision. When you have a burning desire, you'll be able to visualize your long-term vision. The Vision Planner will show you the process of turning that burning desire into a 10x vision and advise you step by step on how to design a plan and empower you to take massive action. 2. You'll manifest a 10x lifestyle. The Vision Planner doesn't just transform you, but transforms your surroundings as well. Aim 10 times higher when you set your goals in business and life. Only when you strive to achieve your 10x vision will you get 10x growth and live that 10x lifestyle. 3. You'll be able to balance the 6 pillars of life. The Vision Planner will help you understand and balance the 6 pillars of life: health, wealth, relationships, love, peace, and happiness, and is designed for you to reflect and evaluate what is important to you and how you can obtain it or keep it. 4. Discover the 10 levels of success. The Vision Planner introduces the novel concept of the levels of success so that you can gain clarity and evaluate your current level of success, and will guide you on how to design a strategic plan to achieve the levels you desire. 5. Vision Planner is a tool for visionaries. Designed by a group of successful entrepreneurs, top executives, and professors from Harvard and Carnegie Mellon University, the Vision Planner is a practical tool for visionaries and has undergone continuous development for more than 18 years. 6. VPA Model. The Vision Planner utilizes the Vision Plan Action Model, where you state what you hope to achieve, how to plan on achieving it, and will finally guide and push you to take massive action in a consistent manner. The Vision Planner is your roadmap to lifelong success. 7. Provided with the Advise Method. The Vision Planner is your trusted accountability partner and helps you build determination in pursuing your health and wealth objectives in order to achieve your overall goals. 8. You'll start setting simple goals. The Vision Planner teaches you the importance of keeping it short and simple, the KISS concept, based on simple strategy that enforces you to create goals that are specific, ideal, measurable, progressive, leverageable, and enhance your productivity. 9. Apply the 5R principle. For the very first time, you'll experience the 5R principle in action. It increases your overall performance and productivity by 100 times, as well as the power of your subconscious mind. Increase up to 100 times productivity. With this planner, you'll learn how to optimize your VPA for maximum efficiency, measure performance, track your progress, and increase productivity across teams. Overall, it increases your operational accountability and will expand your potential and leads to 100 times productivity and 100 times success. What are you waiting for? Turn your dreams and desires into a vision, plan, and action, and start your 90-day transformation. Buy the Vision Planner today.